Welcome students, welcome to Narayana live classes. So today we are here to discuss about the 6th class assignment of Olympiad chemistry, and the topic is basics and importance in chemistry, and the given worksheet is generally based on the laboratory apparatus. Means when we visit a lab we see many instruments and apparatus around you, so you should be able to name them, right? So the given current assignment is based on the laboratory equipment. Let us see this. So identify the apparatus with the hints given below. Okay, fine. So it is a kind of an iron tong provided with wooden or plastic handle. Okay. So given hint, first one. Then it is used for holding test tubes. So from this data you can say that it is a test tube holder. A test tube holder has the following structure. This is the either you can say iron tong provided with wooden or plastic handle. Na? So this is handle and it has a clip like structure to lock it, and the ends are spherical like this. So in this area you can hold a test tube here. Okay. So here there is a clip, so if you move the clip forward, this can hold the test tube. Okay. So this is a test tube holder. If you ask me the test tube structure, then it is a cylindrical U-shaped tube like this. Next, test tube stand. In the test tube stand you have a, it is like this, which is having certain holes for the test tube to be placed and small grooves at the bottom like this. Okay. And test tube rack is the rack where you keep all the test tubes. Next, let us see the second question. A glass container with a spherical bulb and a narrow cylindrical neck. So it should have a spherical bulb like this and a narrow cylindrical neck. Narrow cylindrical neck means here the shape should be cylindrical. Okay. So if you observe this, this is appearing in round shape, so we call it as round bottomed flask. Round bottomed flask. So this round bottom flask is generally used for condensation reactions. Round bottomed flask. Next, the cone shaped flask with a flat base and provided with a cylindrical neck. So cone shaped, but here you have to take a inverted cone shape like this with a flat base. So here the base is flat and provided with a cylindrical neck. Cylindrical neck is called, so obviously it is conical flask. So most of the chemistry experiment we perform in a conical flask only, and this conical flask generally has readings on the side to measure the volume of sample that we are taking in the flask. Okay, so we call it as conical flask. Next, fourth question. An open glass container, cylindrical in shape and provided with a lip for pouring out liquids is called. This is a simple one. A open glass container means the top of it is open, containing cylindrical in shape, provided with a, okay, in the base it is also cylindrical in shape, but this is the base here. Provide here it is having a small groove just like a lip like structure, where the contents, if you bend it, all the contents just come out from this point. Okay. So this is nothing but a simple glass beaker. A circular mark, see here, this is not mask, this is mark made in the pipette's neck signifies. A pipette is a instrument used to pipette out some volume of sample. It is used to pipette out some volume of sample. Generally in the laboratory we have 1 ml pipette, 2 ml pipette, 5 ml pipette, 10 ml and 20 ml pipette. So in this pipette, generally from this end we may use a rubber bulb like structure, or we may manually pipette out from using the mouth also, but most safest method that we use in the laboratory is bulb only. But if you gain experience, you can even pipette it out through your mouth. And on this pipette there are no gradations here, but at one point of time, at one point there is a circular mark like this, means whatever the sample you want to take, you have to take it up till this. So supposing if I am say this is a 20 ml pipette, means if you take the sample till this mark, then the volume of that sample is 20 ml. Similarly 10 ml, like that. So whatever is the pipette given to you, if you pipette out that till that circular mark, then that will be the volume of the sample you are considering. So first option, density of liquid, is not correct, mass of liquid is also not correct, volume of liquid is correct, specific gravity is also not correct. Okay, so let us conclude this. Thank you.